Welcome to LamudiPro. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to unpublish a listing so it's no longer visible across platforms connected to LamudiPro. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your LamudiPro account. Just go to pro.lamudi.com and enter your login details. First, go to your listings inventory. Any updates you make here will reflect across your listings. If you'd like to make a listing inactive, simply tick this checkbox. Next, click Unpublish. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Confirm to proceed. The listing is now unpublished and marked with this eye icon, meaning it's hidden from all platforms connected to LamudiPro. To publish it again, just click the same icon. It will immediately go live once more. And that's it! You've successfully unpublished a listing on LamudiPro. If you need any help, feel free to contact us at hello@pro.lamudi.com.ph.